Hey guys, welcome back to another day trading recap. Today I traded ASTC for $209.29. All in all, a very good day. You guys can ignore some of these lines above. Well, I shouldn't say ignore, but they're basically support and resistance lines from the daily chart. The main line that I wanted to focus on was the line at the very bottom. This was the pre-market high this morning, around 379, I believe. And so when it broke that, I saw it as new support going forward. And so I got in at 388, anticipating that it was going to gap up even higher. And it, definitely exceeded my expectations and exploded, especially how it broke these key resistant levels. But as you can see, I sold most of my shares past $6 and just continued to sort of scale out after that. But all in all, a very good day. And I wanted to focus my attention to BLPH. This is something that I'm having complete regrets on because this was on my watch list along with ASTC. And as you can see, its low was 844 and I put in an order for 840 and I definitely should have given more leeway. Here's the canceled order. As you can see, I anticipated it to hit support, which was again around 840 from months back. There was a key support level. The thing is, like, when it comes to this stuff, it's never always accurate, and you just sort of want to give it that leeway if you really want to get filled 100%. And so I probably should have gave it that 10-50 cent leeway, but obviously I missed out on a huge opportunity. That's fine. I'm actually happy that my intuition was correct, and I can use this confident going forward to build off of, and obviously learn from your mistakes. But clearly could have been a possible $500 winner from the fact that I purchased 100 shares, or at least that I was set to purchase 100 shares. But yeah, as you can see, that the stock came down for 3 straight days, and so we were approaching near that support level that I was referring to, and so I anticipated today to be that green day. There wasn't much volume on it, but I was willing to take the spread on it, and just because I felt very confident that this was going to be a green day. Let me switch to the weekly chart. I switched to the weekly chart after looking at the daily setup to sort of solidify and validate that the support is strong. As you can see, that support level is, it matches the week from a couple of months ago, and that's a very bullish scenario if it ever approaches that support level. And you have a very good probability that the stock has a chance of going up. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching my video. I'll be sure to do more recaps going forward. I've been very busy lately, but I definitely want to make more commitment to this channel. In return, I just hope you guys could like my content and subscribe if you want to see more. And I will see you guys again. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.